Hello everybody, my name is Fred. Today I read The Boa Constrictor. The boa constrictor is a large snake living in Central and South America. This large snake lives alone. Some people keep boas in homes to hunt rats. The boa constrictor is an endangered protected animal. Boa constrictors are carnivores, which means that they eat meat. They're mostly nocturnal animals, hunting at night. A boa constrictor does not bite its prey. It actually squeezes its prey to death. The boa then swallows prey whole, usually head first. The stomach has very strong acid that digests the food. Boa constrictors have been known to eat small mammals, birds, and other reptiles. Once the boa has eaten, it does not need to eat for a few weeks. It takes that long to digest all of the food. Boa constrictors are cold-blooded animals. This means they assume approximately the same temperature as the environment. They grow year after year to be one of the biggest snakes. They can get up to 10 feet long and weigh over 60 pounds. They typically color brown, black, or tan and comes in a variety of patterns. Penguins. The penguin is a fascinating bird. There are 17 different kinds of penguin. The penguin spends much of its life in the sea, so it can swim very well. A penguin is one of the few birds that cannot fly. A penguin uses feathers to keep its skin dry. A penguin is one of the few. A penguin's use its feathers to keep its skin dry. Its feathers are shiny and waterproof. Penguins continually lose their feathers and grow new ones. Penguins have big heads with short, thick necks. They have web-shaped feet for swimming and flipper-like wings for gliding through the water. Their color is usually black and white, although there are some brown penguins. Penguins are known for their tussalo look. The largest of the penguins is called the emperor penguin. This penguin stands at over 3.5 feet tall and weighs about 65 pounds. It is hard to tell the difference between male and female penguins because they look so much alike. All wild penguins are found in the southern hemisphere. They live in climates ranging from warm tropics to very cold and frigid landscapes. Only penguins with a heavy amount of blubber can live in freezing climates. A penguin is not able to defend itself, so it lives in an area that is generally free from predators. Penguins eat fish, squid, and crustaceans. 1. D. 2. C. 3. D. Zebras. The zebra is closely related to the donkey and the horse. They look very similar except for the striking colors of the zebra. The zebra has very distinctive white stripes of dark background. The dark color can be either black or dark brown. No two zebras have the same stripe patterns. The stripe on the zebra can help the zebra get away from its predators. The stripe makes it difficult for the predator to judge distances. The zebra runs very fast, going as fast as 40 meters per hour in no time at all. This quick speed enables the zebra to escape the predator easily. Zebras live together in groups up to 70. The stations, or the males, stand at the back of the group to protect the young and the old zebras from the predator. The dominant female leads the group. The zebras roam around looking for food. They are nomads. They eat grasses and stay close to water so that they have a water supply. A zebra can live up to be 45 years old. Zebras are most active in the early morning and in the late afternoon. They spend half of their walking hours eating. Zebras are hunted for their striking skins. They are also endangered because more and more of their grazing land is being replaced with farming land. The antelope. An antelope is a hoofed animal with horns that are hollow. There are many different types of antelopes. Antelope live in the mountain, desert, and wetlands and are hunted by lions, hyenas, and other carnivores. They are light, quick-moving animals that can jump very well. Some antelopes can reach speed as fast as 60 meters per hour. They can bounce on all four legs. This is called ranking. Antelopes feed on grass, desert plants, and young plant shoots. They also eat twigs and leaves. They swallow the food whole and then regurgitate it and chew it. This is called cud. Most antelopes live in Africa but have also been found in Asia and North America. Antelopes come in all different colors and sizes. The horns of antelope can be curved or straight. These horns never fall off when they're used to get food. An antelope has very keen senses. They have big eyes and keen hearing. This helps the antelope stay out constant alert for predators that may be nearby. Which of the following sentence is factual based on information from the page? According to this passage, antelopes are right. You can conclude an antelope will probably do well living in all of these places, except the where might this information about the antelope be found? In a book about animals in Australia.